So let's talk more about the possibility of having uh, a chiral molecule and when that occurs. Achiral molecules generally mean that the molecule includes some plane of symmetry or an inversion center. And because of that, it leaves the appearance of the molecule completely unchanged. So, a plane of symmetry, again, is anything that has an internal reflection plane where you can draw kind of a plane through it. And if you were to reflect within that plane, you would see the molecule. For example, this molecule here has a plane going through it this way, meaning I'm like cutting the molecule in half. And you can see that if I reflect from within this plane, everything on each side of the plane is the same, right? You can also have an inversion center, which is a point through which all atoms are projected. Here's an example of that here. This central inversion center means that if you were to project this hydrogen through it, it would project onto the opposite side. Anything projecting through the inversion center then projects out onto the opposite side. These are all examples of um, types of symmetry that can occur, causing a molecule to be achiral. So we're going to look for any types of plane of symmetry to help us identify a molecule as achiral. And it's important to look hard. I know that this is where we're getting more into kind of using, being able to understand three-dimensional space in your head. And if it does help you when you're doing homework and everything, make sure to really draw these out or even use modeling programs. You can use the 3D modeling program that we went over in our lab to help you visualize and rotate these molecules. Generally, if you can generate the mirror image of a molecule and then try to superimpose it on the original, this is always the fail-safe method. This is always how you can tell if something is chiral or not. If it's hard for you to see these planes of symmetry or inversion centers, just generate the mirror image and try to superimpose it. See if they are superimposable.